my. Hate these people that do that to me. They see me trolling. Ah, no one likes me. Yay, I'm not alone at all. Yay, I found friends. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the cruise ship party. Whoop. Okay, I am here. What the heck? Okay, I am here in the great icy mountains. Okay, I'm kidding. Okay, this is the cruise ship party. A lot of people already know, and I'll show you a tour. Some chairs, a pool, a ladder. Don't just a ladder. I mean, yeah, and a slide. Like a little. I don't know how to explain it. And some dolphins playing around. Okay, would any of you accept this trade? Teacup for my rare play set. It's pretty good. No, I'm kidding. Maiden, no. Na 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 na. And this is where you get the smoothie machine for. Oh no, nope, wrong way. That's where you get this. Where do you get the smoothie machine? No. Oh yeah, there. This is where you get the smoothie machine from. Why not buy it? Should I buy it? Oh, okay, I couldn't help myself. Okay, now as you can see, I have 99,000 gems. Oh, dang it. And a little thingy up here. Sorry, this was a short video, only 2 minutes. Okay, bye.